You don't want to do business with everybody. You want to do business with the people that believe as you believe and that feel as you feel. And here at Thrive, we certainly feel that.
When you have a company and you have management and you have individuals who all come together and believe in what you believe in, we're not just retained, we're committed.
We have such a great suite of product. We offer things that literally no one else has. I love taking a buyer through the process, teaching them what we do. I think education in our industry is so key and something that's lacking. We have such an amazing group of support people that, and I even feel weird calling them support people because what they do, it goes so far beyond that.
I think it's the end glory. What I love is helping people to the point that I know that I made a difference in their lives for generations to come.